Welcome to the hidden world of apartment investments. I'm here with my client, Will Burgess, who I've managed to lock down for this 8-part mini-series that we're going to present to you. Now, Will's going to tell us how he changed $30,000 to $14 million in a span of 10 years. That's an incredible amount. So Will, can you tell us a little about how you did this?
Well, for one, you're making it sound like it's pretty romantic. Like going from 30,000 to 14 million, it wasn't all roses. But you know what? This building behind us, this apartment building, was a big part in achieving that. So that's really why I thought this was going to be a great mini-series, because we could talk about this building, we could get into the specifics and show you guys the roadmap on what I did in order to achieve a big chunk of that income. So I thought that would be really great for you guys to see, and I'm glad to be here.
Thank you. And then our main goal here is to really get you guys to, after this 8-part mini-series, for you to know how to invest in apartment buildings yourself. That's our main goal.
Yeah.
So can you tell us, Will, you've made a lot of mistakes in your career.
Yeah.
It's not always just, one success after another.
No.
And this is why what is in your mind is very valuable.
Yeah, well, I'm hoping here, this gives an opportunity for me to kind of lay a few things out so the mistakes I made, other people don't have to repeat them, because it's just wasted money and it's never anything good. So yeah, this gives an opportunity to share my knowledge a little bit in that aspect and hopefully get other people to financial freedom, which is really the goal. I'm really excited to just be able to, to give back.
Thank you, we appreciate it. And for our audience, can you give us a little taste of one of the mistakes that you made?
Rushing a job too much, and then forcing myself into a position where I have to go to private financing and it costing over $100,000 in terms of financing fees, just because you're working on a deadline, you don't meet it. So give yourself some buffer room.
All right.
That's a simple one.
Thank you.
So every Tuesday for the next 2 months, we're going to be releasing this, and one episode a week. So come on, check it out. Make sure that you don't miss anything, because hey, it could cost you big bucks.
There's gonna be a lot of great content, guys. So stay tuned.